Works with any gas engine up to 2 cylinders and 16,000 rpm. Adjustable input for all types of ignitions, including fuel-injected engines. Hour meter shows total hours accumulated. Hour tach meter shows RPMs when the engine is running. Easy installation. No power or ground required. Internal battery lasts up to 10 years. Installation wire is 14 inches long. Top reviews from the United States. What a great product. Simple installation and works great. Great product. I installed this on my Suzuki DF 2.5 single-cylinder, 4-cycle outboard motor so I could monitor the RPMs and hours for the engine break-in protocol and later to track hours for routine maintenance intervals. I had done a lot of research and found that there are some other products out there that are difficult to install and/or inaccurate, but this Hardline product was a very simple and secure installation and is accurate. There was no adjustment required at all. I installed it and it worked. Now I can run my engine by RPM rather than guessing by half-throttle, quarter-throttle etc. And don't have to guess how many hours are on the engine for maintenance. And the price is right. Highly recommend. In addition, Hardline advised when I asked that you can use regular 18-gauge wire of 10, 15 feet if you need to place the device further away from the engine you are monitoring. I plan to do this with my small outboard so I can monitor it more comfortably as I go through the engine break-in procedure with progressive RPMs on my new 2.5 horsepower outboard.